Hello friends, today we will be solving IMO Set A for year 23-24, IMO paper for Maths for class 5. So let's start. This is the Set A paper. Let's go to question number 1. How many different combinations of one AC and one remote each can be formed from the given ACs and remotes? So if you see, you have 5. It's very thick. This is 5 and this is 3. So the combination will be 5 times 3, which is 15. So my answer is 15. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following squares must be shaded so that the given figure becomes symmetrical along the dotted line? So if you see here, so what should be shaded? P should be shaded. So my answer is P. Let's move on. Question number 3. Find the missing number if the same rule is followed in all the 3 figures. So if you see this, it's actually 21 into 7 is 147, 9 into 18 is 162. So 6 into what will give me 138. Now if you see here, the trick here is, see, if you see 6 times what will give you an 8. So 6 times 3 will give me an 8. So you have the options here of 23 and 13. So if you see 13 times 6 is 78. So it is not 13. So my answer will be option B, which is 23. So that is option B. Okay, let's move on. Question number 4. In a certain language, danger is written as ADEGNR, and how will master be written in the same code? So if you see danger and this, you see it's all arranged in alphabetical order. So similarly for master, it has to be arranged in alphabetical order, which will be A, then you have an E, then you have an M, T, S, R, Q, R, S, T. So sorry, this will be M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So my answer will be option D. Let's move on to the next question, which is select the correct water image of the given word. So the options are, so if you see water, it will be option number B. So the answer for question number 5 will be B. Then we go to question number 6. Which of the following Venn diagrams represents the relationships amongst professors, doctors, and women? So now this could be professors, this could be doctors, and this could be women. So a woman could be a professor, a woman could be a doctor, or a woman could be a professor as well as a doctor. So my answer will be option C. Then we go to question number 7. Rashi is facing north. She turns 135-degree clockwise. So whenever you have a question like this, you do it like this. So Rashi is facing north, then she turns 135-degree clockwise. So this is 45, 90. So this is clockwise, 135-degree clockwise, and then 270-degree anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise means this hole is 90, then 45, then 90. So this is 270-degree anti-clockwise. So in which direction is she facing now? It will be option D, which is southwest. Let's go to question number 8. Some letters are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as given below. Arrange the given letters to form a meaningful word. So what would be this word? So if you see these words G, S, R, N, E, I. So the word, if you look, it is singer. S-I-N-G-E-R. So S stands for 2, I stands for 6, N stands for 4. So the only option which is 2, 6, 4 is option B. So my answer is option B. Let's move on. Which of the following options will complete the given pattern? So now if you see, this one has to be filled up. Okay, this one has to be filled up and this one has to be filled up. So what options can I eliminate? This can be eliminated because all three has to be filled up. So three are not filled up, here three are not filled up. So my correct answer will be option B. Let's move on. Select the odd one out. So question number 10, select the odd one out. So how do we do these questions? So first we write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So if you see P here, then you have +2, then you have an S, and then you have 1, 2, +2, then you have a V. So that's the sequence. So J, K, L, so this is +2, and then O, P, +2. Then if you see C, then it is plus only 1. So this is the wrong option. If you try for G, so H plus I is J +2, 1, 2, K and L is +2 M. So only this one is odd one out. So my correct answer for this is option number C. That's the odd one out. Let's go to question 11. Find the number of squares in the given figure. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And then you have 13, 14, 15, and you have this one which is 16, and this one which is 17, and yeah, so it will be option C. Let's move on. If all the symbols are removed from the given arrangement, then which of the following elements will be third to the left of the fifth element from the right end? So they are saying if all these symbols are removed, so suppose you remove these symbols. This is a dollar sign. Yeah, this is a dollar sign, so you remove the symbols. Then you always start from the end of the question, which is following elements, then which of the following elements will be third to the left of the fifth element from the right hand? So which is the fifth element from the right hand? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fifth element. Then what will be third to the left? So this is 1, 2, 3 left, and third to the left of the fifth element from the right hand. So it will be option B. B for Bolivia. Let's move on. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on either side. Identify the relationship on the left pair and find the missing figure. So if you see here, what's happening? What is the turn? So whenever you have this, just see. So if we see this, then this was here. Okay, then it has shifted. Let's see. So question number 13, the answer will be, if you see, it's tilting anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise, if you see, and then this has to be on the side and this will be on the top. So my answer will be option C. Let's move on to 14. Prerna's father had to attend a press conference on 5th day from second Friday of this. So 5th day of the second Friday. So second Friday is this. On the 5th day from the second Friday, on which date will Prerna's father? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that will be So from the fifth day, so you have to calculate on fifth day from, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that will be 14th of June. Then you go to 15. Arrange the given words in a meaningful logical order and select the correct option. Education, job, child, infant. So first, it's an infant. After your infant is basically a child which is up to 2 years of age. So after the infant, you become a child. So it will be 4, 3. Then you complete your education and then you get a job. So it will be option C. Let's move on. How many angles inside the given figure are less than a right angle? So if you see less than a right angle will be, this is an obtuse angle, this is a reflex angle, reflex angle, reflex angle, obtuse angle, obtuse angle. So these are not the one. Then if you see this, these are right angles. So the answer is this one. This is a right angle, this is a right angle. This is an obtuse, acute angle, acute angle, acute angle, acute angle. So it will be option C. Which of the following letters have exactly 2 lines of symmetry? So exactly 2 lines of symmetry will be option C. Now, which of the following fractions are arranged in descending order? So if you see here, see 1 over 7 and 2 over 7, you already know that 2 over 7 is a bigger fraction. Now you need to see for 2 over 7 and 2 over 5. So if you see this is 10 and 14, so this is a bigger fraction. So the order will be 2 over 5, 2 over 7 and 1 over 7, which will be option B. Which of the following options shows the smallest 5-digit number that can be formed using the digits 40 this? Each digit use at least once. So you want to form the smallest 5-digit number. So you can't start with a 0. So you have to start with a 2. And you want the smallest digit. So it will be 20049. That will be the smallest digit. That will be option D. Now, how many prime numbers are there between 51 and 120? So you have to write it down. So you will not write all the even numbers. So you have a 53 and you will not write the numbers which end with a 5. So you will not write 55, 56. Then you have a 57. But if you see 57, 5 plus 7 is 12. So this is divisible by 3. So it is not 57. Then you have a 59. You have a 53, 59, then you have a 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, then you have an 83, 89, then you have a 97, then 101, then 103, 107, 109, 113. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it will be 15, which is option B. The given bar graph shows the number of apples eaten by the students of 2 schools every 5 weeks. Read the graph carefully and answer the following questions. So these are the questions. Let me just blur this. In how many weeks the number of apples eaten by the students of school Q is more than of school P? The number of apples eaten by the students in school Q. So this one is school Q and this one is P, is more than that of school P. So first let's just, this is 700, this is 500. If you see this is around 550, this is 400, this is 300, this is 450. So the answer here is option D. Let's move on to the next question. How many more number of apples eaten by the students of P than that of Q in the first? So let's see this. You just see the question paper first. You can pause and solve it yourself. Question 27, 28, 29, 31, 32, 33, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 57, 48, 49, 50. Thank you.